Most people join Survey Junkie expecting fast and easy money. Then after a few surveys, they either get frustrated or quit completely. Here's the truth no one tells you. Survey Junkie can absolutely pay real money in 2026, but only if you understand how the platform actually works. In this video, I'll give you an honest Survey Junkie review. Explain how much you can realistically earn, the biggest mistakes to avoid, and whether it's still worth using this year. And stay until the end because I'll show you the simple strategy that helps users qualify for more surveys consistently. So let's get straight to it. Survey Junkie is a survey and market research platform that rewards users for sharing opinions. Companies pay for consumer feedback, and Survey Junkie shares part of that money with users who complete surveys. Now, here's the important part. Survey Junkie is legitimate. Users can redeem earnings through PayPal, bank transfers, or gift cards once they hit the minimum payout threshold. But this is where most people fail. They assume every survey will work perfectly every time. In reality, surveys use qualification systems. For example, Alex might click a survey about car ownership, but if he doesn't match the company's target audience, he could get screened out after a few questions. That's one reason some users feel frustrated. But here's the problem. Many people rush through profile setup and skip important details. Your profile directly affects the surveys you qualify for. The more accurate and complete your profile is, the better your survey matches usually become. Now here's where it gets interesting. Survey Junkie is not just about random surveys anymore. Some users also qualify for higher paying studies and product testing opportunities. These usually pay more than standard short surveys. So how much can you realistically earn? Most users make extra side income rather than full-time money. Someone like Jake, who spends 20 to 30 minutes daily on surveys, may earn enough for small bills, subscriptions, or monthly spending money. But if you expect hundreds of dollars every week with almost no effort, you'll probably be disappointed. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to maximize earnings without wasting time. First, check the app consistently throughout the day. New surveys often disappear quickly once enough people join. Second, answer honestly and consistently. Survey platforms track answer patterns, and inconsistent responses can reduce future opportunities. Third, focus on shorter surveys with decent payouts instead of chasing long surveys that take too much time. Now let's talk about the biggest downside. Survey disqualifications still happen, even for experienced users. That's normal across almost every survey platform in 2026. The key is understanding that surveys are best used as flexible side income, not guaranteed hourly work. So, is Survey Junkie worth it in 2026? For many users, yes. It's easy to start, free to join, and still one of the more trusted survey platforms online. But realistic expectations matter. The biggest takeaway is simple. Survey Junkie works best for people who want flexible extra income during free time, not instant riches. If this honest review helped you decide whether Survey Junkie is worth trying, hit the like button, subscribe for more money-making app reviews, and comment below with your experience using Survey Junkie so far.